Today we're going to learn about the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem is a series of complex equations to find the hypotenuse of a triangle. Just kidding, it's really simple. The formula for the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. An example of this is trying to find how big a ladder needs to be to reach the top of the house. A triangle that looks like this. Applying the formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, let me draw it out. To find the hypotenuse, it is always directly across from the right angle. This is the right angle, you can tell because it has a square, which simplifies to 90 degrees. In the context of this problem, the a, which in this context is 13, and the base, which is b, we equal 10. Now the formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The hypotenuse is c squared. Plugging in the numbers, 13 squared plus 10 squared equals c squared. Then you solve for c. Now that you have your answer, 269 equals c squared, then you find the square root of 269 and the square root of c squared. Let's do another example. For example, if you had a cliff with the base of 3 and how far you climb is 5, how far is it? Now try this on your own and see if you can figure this out. Do the same steps that we taught you. Now that you've paused the video, let's see if you're correct. Use the same formula as before. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now plug in the numbers. You know the hypotenuse is 5 because it's directly across from the right angle, so the hypotenuse equals 5 squared. Now you know b squared equals 3 because this is the base. So 5 squared equals 3 squared plus a squared because we don't know the height. Then you subtract 9 from both sides, like so. 25 minus 9 equals 16. 9 minus 9 equals 0. So you write that as a squared equals 16. Then you use the square root of both of them to find what a equals. The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of a squared equals a. So you know, because this equals a, that a is 4. Now you know about the Pythagorean theorem, how to use it. You can find the hypotenuse of any triangle.